Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find audio radio, touchscreen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, first aid kit, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.